With the insertion of the grouting hose, the actual leveling of the concrete begins. And with each thrust of the adjustable piston within the unit's leveling pump, the concrete is restored to its proper position and alignment. The grouting holes are quickly sealed, and a fast hose down with a garden hose completes the job. As these before and after pictures show, the results are amazing.
The other advantage of having this particular process done at your home is the fact that immediately after the process is finished, the concrete is level and the holes are plugged.